Oh, what is that? Oh. I love to do my job here. 7 hours later. Oh my gosh. There, I'm all done. Oh yeah. Oh my gosh, I'm go outside. I want to swim. Let me open the windows. There. I'm just get my boat into. I know. Oh yeah, this is fun. We're gonna go to my house. Ugh! What is this? This keep happening to me. Why? We can try over there. I can get another one here. It's good fun here. Let me add my name. My real name is Lisa. Ah, so nice. Red name. I'm the professional of guitar. Hey, I can get it. You never know. Oh, you're tiny little bit baby. Oh, she's built it right over here, my boat. Why? I want to swim. How? What is that happening to me? Slack, I know. Well, I'm gonna use my scooter because I own a scooter. I'm gonna go to the beach. Her boat is not here, so I'm on the in here now.
Ay, baby, wala! Nasisira sa ito mo! Nakakaraot-raot naman. Dinadala ng sila.
Swim. This is so far.
Akala ko lumayas na siya. Umalis yan.
cannot breathe under the water.
Ewan ko na uuwi pa doon.
Oh my gosh. Fly, but you know
Hindi natin
how just drive these things.
magpapagawa tayo ng kasulatan.
Oh,
Bibigay tayo ng best.
just get me started.
Oo. Basta November, magkano, yung naman dyan. Hindi ko pa alam eh. Bukas pa pala na ako parang duty.
I hear that I kind of want to use my new one, so I cannot get my new one in the house. It might be upstairs because
Basta ikaw magpalakas ka.
I know it. It's upstairs.
Magmamas kayo!
Can I
Magmamas
get it
kayo!
now? There, this is
kami
my
yan eh.
favorite
Kami
thing
nga din eh. Hindi
I've
lumalabas
ever
eh.
wanted. Can get it again. But okay.
Oo. Nagtitinda. Eh, yun ang mahirap. Baka makapagdala. Oo. Oo. Oy. Sige, gano'n na lang.
You can sit here and
Oo,
read.
sige, sige. Okay. Ote. Ote.
Otey!
Bye-bye.
Otey! Otey ba? Otey? Otey ba, Riley?
Ote.
Otey! Otey, Riley! Nagpadagdag. Isa, sabi ko na kay naman, wala na kasi. Cash ang nasa akin. Ano mo paputin ko pa, baka mamaya mga ba tayo. Ayoko. Eh, sabi niya kahit 3,000 doon. Kasi raw, hindi raw sinagot lahat ng Kapitolyo. Gusto ko sana pahiramin. Kaso nga cash yung pera sa akin dahil kinuha niya. Ayun. So, pwede kayo makapag-add sa'yo kahit 5K. Makakuha naman ako delivery sa office kaso September 27 ko pa makuha. Hindi kasi sinagot ni Go lahat ng hospital bills namin. May
Kasi
kulang
ang tagal eh.
hindi mapirmahan death certificate yung mga
Wait, gosh,
kaya
na parang
pumunta ko sa
birthday.
UC6 tapos sa 26 kahit 5K lang daw. Sabi ko nga wala 3,000 eh. Ngayon sinend ko. Kaya nga sabi ko, huwag mo na akong intindihin yung tubo yan. Basta yung ulo ka akong kinuha, syempre kakubukod yun. Pero itong sumunod, yung ballet tricycle, huwag mo na akong intindihin. Kasi kay ate ko naman. Pinagpaalam ko
Magkano?
naman.
13? Bakit?
Meron ko siya ng 10
Kaya,
Hindi, sa akin
He's
na...
calling me? Here? Wow, this is beautiful.
nagtagal kasi sa hospital.
Sabi ko nga, itry din i-apply ng Burial sa Capitol.
Kapitolyo.
Kaya ako sabi ni ate, naku may bakar kasi tayo, kaya naku ngayong ate.
Oo nga na.
Eh, sabi ko, baka sakali, di ba? Try din.
Tayo, nakakuha ng baba. Hindi nga raw lahat nakakatawa.
Oh my gosh, it's deep. Thanks.
Thank you.
The party is not over yet. It's just not moving. Oh! Oh, she's leaves, so I cannot go to my house now. Teleport in my house. Get my skateboard. Oh, it's not working. My skateboard's just not working. Yeah, you cannot even go in there. Do I have to come through on the counter? I don't know, but
Yan mo yung cellphone na yan. Ayos ko lang rin sa akin. Sakaling dito yung nahigaman ko.
I only want to swim, so I think I'm gonna get my horse now. No, I don't have any horse at the beach. Just a dream. Oh, silly me. Oh my god. I think I ate so much and then I ate junk foods. We're gonna go upstairs then. Gosh, look at her. I see her.
Iba, nainis na.
Gonna relax. Okay, I'm gonna unlock my house.
Wala ko si Mami. Wala doon ako kay Ari.
I'm gonna name my house.
Alanganin eh, baka...
So nice. I think I can ride this thing. Wee. I'm not a kid anymore. Oops, that's hard. I want to play this. I think that's sweet. I'm not a kid, but I want to play this. So that is right for me. All of you sit here.
Kay Rudy na lang kaya tayo magpapili ng sing-sing. No? Diba? Medyo may pera-pera na.
Okay.
Hi, Riley.
To be here.
Daisy, naman.
Riley.
So bored. Bored. I think he turns the guitar
Bird.
now.
Bird.
Busy siya, busy.
Six hours later.
Bakit si ate na yung bumibili?
Okay.
Hindi na, sabi ko naman kasi nga, nagdadala si ate ng
Yes.
tubig kaya nila.
Come on.
Hindi mo sundaan.
Get this thing now.
Ito yung ano, no?
Mr. Keep happening.
Sabi ko, boss. Ha? Ang boss. Bigyan ko na siya yung pamigos niya.
Just go here. That's another telescope.
Ang boss, tingnan mo nga dyan.
Binigay ko lang sa'yo kanina, hinanap mo pa nga sa akin.
There they
Jingle,
are.
jingle, hi. There's
I
Lara,
see
Lara.
them. There they are.
Mga tipid.
Wait, what is that? I'm gonna go spy, but oh my god.
Tulog na.
If I want to watch a movie or something, I don't want to just
Wala na.
21 hours.
Dande ko.
Just get to sleep. No, 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 no. 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 You. I'm so sorry looking at my bed because I didn't move it.
Wow!
Ah, finally I'm floating in my bed. I'm
Ng
muscles.
ganito. Para dito sa ilalim.
Ano ba yan?
Yung pang-organize mo ng sapatos. Pangit pa sa tingin ko. Galing mo ng bebe.
Now,
Ah.
getting a little what?
Tulog na, be?
Oh, you close the curtains.
Yay! Yeah. Ika? Nakasama.
Oh, it's too boring.
Love.
How do I get in?
Love.
A
Lebe na
little.
yung butchog ko
A
na yan. John Jacob Jingleheimer Schmidt. His name is my name too. Whenever we go up. Think for again.
Oh, gosh, I'm scared. How to turn this off? I don't want this. Why? Just go out. Just no more.
No more. Pagod na. Love na si tita. Love na si tita. Love tita. Love tita.